You stepped on a worm?
Yeah. That's a worm walk. I'll show you.
See, look, they're honking.
Yeah.
See how safely we can get to these little geeses? Oh, they're leaving. They're leaving. See?
You scared you.
I didn't scare them. You scared them.
No, you did.
You scared them.
Don't tell that.
Don't say that.
Don't say that.
Don't say that you scared them.
Yeah.
But you scared them.
No, you did.
No, you did.
I don't want you to scare you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So this help.
Well, it's too late. They're gone now. I'm sorry. There's a seagull in the puddle if you can see it. Oh, it's leaving too.